How are AI and robotics changing steel production? The steel industry is undergoing a major transformation thanks to advanced automation. AI-powered systems analyze massive amounts of data to predict equipment failures, optimize furnace temperatures, and reduce downtime, making steel production more cost-effective. Meanwhile, robots are taking over hazardous tasks like handling molten metal, cutting steel with precision, and inspecting products for defects. This not only improves worker safety, but also ensures higher accuracy in manufacturing. With industrial IoT, machines, sensors, and AI systems are now interconnected, allowing real-time monitoring and smart factory automation. This reduces waste, increases efficiency, and makes steel production more sustainable. AI and robotics are making steel mills safer, faster, and more productive, setting the stage for the future of manufacturing. Subscribe for more insights into the latest industrial innovations.